Did you think why some people snore while sleeping? Then listen. Normally when we take breath, then air goes to our nose, and from our mouth to our neck, and from windpipe to our chest. Now what happens is that when we are awake, then every muscle of our body is functioning properly. We are not in any kind of relaxed condition. But when we sleep, then our muscles get relaxed, means the muscles of the neck will also be relaxed. Because of this, the place from where the air goes will shrink a little. Now when the air comes in, the pressure will be created here due to the reduction of that place. And because of the pressure, these relaxed muscles will start vibrating, and that's it. The generator is on.